monkey sits under a tree, puffing on a glowing yellow vape that looks suspiciously like a peeled banana. Smoke everywhere. His eyes half open, heartbeat slow. Monkey says, "Relax? It's just banana smoke." But deep down, Monkey doesn't feel relaxed. He feels weak, dizzy, out of breath after one flight of jungle vines. The other monkeys swing with wild energy, but this one sits like a sleepy sloth. How did this happen? Monkey didn't used to be like this. He used to run, climb, roar. Now he can't even finish one set of push-ups without gasping. This isn't just about smoke. This is about energy. About what happens when Monkey's brain swaps natural jungle fuel for fake banana clouds. Today, Monkey learns why he quit vaping and how his energy came back, like thunder in the jungle. When Monkey inhales the banana vape, his brain lights up like fireworks. Inside, nicotine sends a message. Release dopamine. Monkey feels a little rush, focus, calm, satisfaction. But that hit only lasts a few minutes. Then dopamine drops. Monkey feels lower than before. And the only way to fix it? Another puff. Another hit. Another banana cloud. So Monkey's brain learns, if I want to feel okay, I must smoke. The natural energy system, powered by food, movement, and sunlight, shuts down. Soon the banana vape doesn't make Monkey happy anymore. It just keeps him from feeling bad. Monkey thinks the vape is relaxing him, but in reality, it's robbing his energy bank. Nicotine messes with oxygen flow. Blood vessels tighten, heart beats faster, lungs weaken. Monkey's body becomes like a jungle river clogged with rocks. Less oxygen, less power. He wakes up tired, naps midday, and blames it on bad sleep. But really, his cells are running on low voltage. Every puff makes it worse. Then comes the withdrawal roller coaster. Hit. Tiny dopamine spike. Crash. Tired. Another hit. It's like swinging from tree to tree with ropes that keep snapping. Monkey's not lazy. He's chemically drained. Monkey leans back after a puff, blows out a perfect banana-shaped smoke ring, and sighs. Finally relaxed. But here's the secret he doesn't want to admit. He's not really relaxed. He's relieved. For the last 30 minutes, his brain was screaming, "Hey, where's my nicotine?" That craving builds like jungle drums, faster, louder, until Monkey finally takes a puff. Dopamine rushes in, quiets the drums, and Monkey feels calm. But it's not true calm. It's just the silence that comes after chaos. The kind he created himself. It's like punching your own face just to enjoy the feeling when you stop. That's the nicotine loop. The vape removes the discomfort that the vape caused. Meanwhile, Monkey's heart rate climbs, blood pressure rises, adrenaline leaks into the bloodstream. His nervous system works overtime, pretending to chill. What he calls relaxation is really chemical trickery, a roller coaster of fake peace followed by real fatigue. And every puff pushes true calm further away. Now picture another monkey, one who doesn't vape. He takes a deep breath of fresh jungle air, stretches, and lies back under the sun. His brain releases slow, steady waves of dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. Not a crash, not a spike, just balance. That's real calm, the kind that lasts. Real calm doesn't buzz. It doesn't come from a glowing stick or candy-smelling cloud. It's quiet, steady, deep, like sitting by a river listening to frogs sing. The fake calm of vaping is a cheap banana candy. Sweet for a second, sour forever. Real calm is a ripe banana, grown slow under the sun, satisfying, grounding, full of energy. When Monkey says, "Vape helps me chill," he's really saying, "I forgot what calm actually feels like." The moment he stops chasing smoke and starts chasing stillness, that's when his nervous system finally exhales. One day, Monkey looks in the mirror, eyes tired, skin dull. He coughs, then sees the glowing banana vape in his paw and squints. "You little yellow parasite." Monkey throws it into the river. Smoke gone. The first week? Rough. Monkey feels weird. Brain screams for nicotine. But then something wild happens. By week 2, Monkey starts waking up with energy again. By week 3, food tastes better. By week 4, his workouts explode. By week 6, he feels unstoppable. He realizes his dopamine is working naturally again. No fake hits, no crashes, just clean jungle energy. Science agrees. When Monkey vapes, nicotine hijacks dopamine receptors. After quitting, those receptors heal, but it takes time. His brain rebalances serotonin and acetylcholine, two chemicals that keep mood and focus steady. Lungs produce more oxygen, heart rate normalizes, blood carries more nutrients to muscles. Translation: Monkey gets his stamina back. His focus comes from real energy, not banana smoke. And his motivation? Sky high. Monkey once needed smoke to start the day. Now one deep breath of fresh air does the job better. He replaces his vape with something stronger. Real life. Morning sunlight instead of morning vape. Cold river splash instead of nicotine hit. Banana breakfast and walk instead of puff breaks. Deep breathing when stress hits. Workout reward. One sweet, ripe banana after every session. Monkey's new addiction. Feeling alive. Now when other monkeys ask, "Bro, you want a puff?" he smiles and says, "No thanks. My lungs climb mountains now. If you're always tired but don't know why, maybe it's not laziness. Maybe it's the banana smoke tricking your brain. Give your body a week without the puff. Let your dopamine heal. Your focus, strength, and natural energy will come swinging back faster than you think." Monkey says, stop vaping, grab a real banana, and breathe the jungle air again. Like this video, toss Monkey a subscribe. It keeps the bananas coming.